Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to make a slow motion video in Samsung smartphone. So first friends, you have to go to the camera and you can see here it is more feature. Tap on more feature, click on super slow mo. There are two options. As you can see, there is a super slow motion and only slow motion. So let's click on slow motion, tap on the video and make a short type video. And friends, you can see this is how you can make a slow motion video. And if you want to make a super slow motion video, you have to just tap on it, make a video, and now it is. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.